3 lines are for 7,500 circuit kilometers, which is bipolar HVDC. What a bipolar HVDC is, we'll do right now. And there is something called back-to-back connection, which is used again for a special use. We'll come to it, back-to-back. So any question from this slide? What is TCSC? Not related to our course. It's related to an allied course, not that separate. What is this TCSC? Anybody knows about it? TCSC?
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is known as thyristor controlled switched capacitor. Thyristor controlled series capacitor. You remember we talked about reducing the reactance of the line in order to improve the stability. So what did we use? In order to reduce the reactance, what do you use? You use a capacitor, a series capacitor in series with the line. Agreed? Yes, you remember, I hope, in the last class we talked about installing a series capacitor in order to improve the stability of the system. So TCSC is nothing but a series capacitor. However, the value of the capacitance can be controlled automatically depending on your requirement. So this is known as a FACTS device. Have you heard of the word FACTS? Flexible AC transmission system.
Yes, sir.
So this is a FACTS device. Okay, this is a FACTS device which they are using. Because if you install a normal series capacitor, its value is constant, right? But maybe during high load, you need your capacitance to be more. During low load, you need your capacitance to be lesser, right? So that flexibility is not obtainable if you are using fixed value of capacitors. So gradually from fixed capacitors, people are shifting to variable capacitors, which is implemented using this TCSC. This TCSC is thyristor controlled series capacitor, and this FSC is known as fixed series capacitor. Still, you see the fixed series capacitor is more in numbers because this is a cheaper solution. This is a cheaper solution. But people are gradually shifting from FSC to TCSC. Okay, so I'm moving to the next slide. And you see here also the HVDC levels are usually plus minus 500 kV, which means it's a bipolar. The moment you see this plus minus sign, you must remember that it's a bipolar circuit. Okay. And another voltage level that we are using in India is plus minus 800. So as of now, the two voltage levels which we are using in India for HVDC transmission is plus minus 500 and plus minus 800. Remember this because anybody can ask, right? HVDC, you might be knowing technically all the mathematics and physics, but this is also just two figures that you should remember. That the volt, for example, you know that the voltage levels in India is this 132, 22, 440, etc. 765. So similarly, you must remember that the voltage level for HVDC transmission is plus minus 500 kV and plus minus 800 kV in India. Okay. So the fast HVDC
साउंड नहीं आ रहा है.
वेट करो अभी थोड़ा.